YouTube, what is up? This is Come to Japan, the channel that wants you to come to Japan. My name is Dan. Thanks again for joining me on another episode. And today I'm out at a Japanese waterfall. All right, so I'm going to talk about the goal of our channel here on Come to Japan. But our goal is for this channel to grow with your likes, comments, and subscribe so that one day this channel can give away free trips to Japan for subscribers. We're gonna sponsor free trips to Japan because I love Japan and I know a lot of people out there love Japan too. So all you gotta do, like, comment, and subscribe. So now we got that out of the way, let's check out this Japanese waterfall, and I'm gonna jump in it later. There's a few deeper pools that you can actually jump in on this waterfall, and it's gonna be really fun. And a lot of people come here and swim during the summer. It's not quite summer, but it's still warm enough that I think I can jump in. So let's go have a fun time and check out the beautiful scenery here in Fukuoka, Japan. Kind of like a cool little dragon kind of carving, I guess you'd say, carving / painting. It's on like a big wood stump, like a big piece of like a tree trunk that someone carved, which is really cool. Guys, so we're gonna get ready to walk up to the main waterfall here and check it out. There's like a cool little sign back there, which is kind of cool. This is actually like a campground and whatnot, and check it out, like it's really cool back here. I have this whole place to myself. There's the sign. It says Yuoko, so which is kind of like Dragon Gorge, or Dragon King Gorge. I don't know, I could be wrong. But yeah, oh, these are really cool. This is kind of like a bunch of right here, like a bunch of bamboo that are kind of cut up and whatnot, and you can tell because there's a lot of bamboo behind us there. So let's go check out the main waterfall here. I'm really excited. I love these rocks, man. Like rocks. These kind of like huge rocks is like my favorite scenery. It's my favorite scenery and whatnot. Check out this beautiful bamboo forest behind me. Is that ridiculous? This is nuts. Right off. Take off my sunglasses. That's it. This is amazing, yeah. Oh, we can kind of see it already. I don't know, can you see it back there? All right, let's go to the main waterfall, and we're gonna get ready to walk through a Japanese torii gate. Okay everybody, so this isn't the main waterfall. The main waterfall is probably about twice this size, but this one is still really beautiful. And there's actually a little pool in the bottom of this one that I can probably get in as well. So after we check out the main waterfall, jump in that one, play around a little bit, we'll come back to this one and you know, splash around in this one too. So let's keep going. Here's a small little shrine right next to the waterfall here, and I'm actually at a little bit of a lookout point, so really beautiful, yeah, really beautiful. But let's stop at this little shrine here and give her a little offering, and just so that we're safe today. Okay, so I have 5 yen, go in, see if you can see me through it. Oh, it's got a hole in the center right there, but I'm gonna give this go-en, this 5 yen. It's just a little bit of an offering. Just ask the spirits of this place for protection, keep me safe while I'm splashing around in the beautiful waterfalls today. So Let's give it. Let's offer it. All right, we should be good to go. Okay guys, I'm at another spot right here. You can see like there's another little waterfall right there. Not the main one again, but right here, that actually looks pretty deep. That actually looks a little bit deep. It's like pitch black. I don't know, it just could be the color of the rock, but it kind of looks deep. So I'm gonna jump in that later, or kind of gently get in there to see how deep it is later. But yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Hey guys, so we made it to the pool here, and you can kind of see there was a sign that said it's about 2 meters deep, so that's actually pretty deep. It's over above my head. They got a couple life preservers right there, and there's that pool. There's actually a pool down here too that's actually pretty deep, so we're gonna play in them. Let's go. Careful, I don't want to fall in prematurely, but so we have these guys right there, so let's put them in the pool over here already. So there's these guys. So I have these guys here to grab onto if I need. But I'm a pretty good swimmer. I lived in Hawaii for 10 years, and I've did a lot of diving. So I'll be safe. I'll be safe. Oh, check it out. I think it's gonna go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. There it goes. Yes! That's awesome. Okay, everybody, so we made it to the main waterfalls, and it's actually 2 waterfalls. This one's like kind of like a smaller trickle, but it's really tall. And then there's this other one on this side, which is a little bit smaller, but a lot more powerful, And there's like a little pool back there. So let's jump in. Let's get into this waterfall and play a little bit. This is the main attraction, to jump into these waterfalls. Let's change into our rash guard. All right, so now that we have our rash guard on, let's get in this beast. It's gonna be cold, I can tell you that already. Oh, nice and chilly. Oh, that'll wake you up. That'll wake you up. That will make you feel alive, ladies and gentlemen. It's not too bad, but it is brisk. Woo! 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 Oh, I can stand up. Oh God. Woo! Woo! That is cool. That's cool. That's awesome. Ooh. It's not too deep. I can probably stand there, but that is a shock to the nervous system for sure. I love it. I love it. Let's go check out the other deeper pools. Cold mountain water right here, but it feels great. Okay, everybody, so we're at the main pool right here, and it's supposed to be about 2 meters deep. So that's pretty deep. It's over my head for sure. But I have some goggles here that I'm gonna put on and just kind of stick my head in here at the edge and see what it looks like. And I got the GoPro so I can show you guys what it looks like down there too. So let's check it out. Okay, so we got the goggles on. Let's give it a quick peek. It's hard to tell. I can't actually tell. I'm just gonna get in. And give you guys a quick look. All right, guys, so we're in. We're in. Nice and fresh, so I can kind of touch. Watch here. Woo. So it is over my head for sure. All right, guys, so we're in. We're in. It's not deep enough that I feel comfortable jumping in, but it's still really cool, yeah. Woo! Check it out, it's cool too. This one's not as deep. Not as deep down here. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow, and it helps us reach our goal in being able to bring someone to Japan for free. And we can do it. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Get this channel out there. Let's grow as a community, and we'll bring people to Japan for free. And my name is Dan. Mata ne. Bye-bye.